How to give an oil change on a 2012 Chevy Suburban. Supplies needed while giving an oil change will include a drip pan. The drip pan will be used to catch all the oil as it runs out. Optional, but very helpful, is a creeper. This will allow you to slide in and out from underneath the vehicle with ease. A new oil filter and new oil will be needed. Both vary from vehicle to vehicle. This vehicle requires 6 quarts of oil. Along with oil, a funnel is needed to pour the oil into the car without spilling it all over your engine. Some tools needed will be a pair of channel locks. The channel locks will be used to get the old oil filter off. Also, a 15mm wrench will be used to get the drain plug out. A floor jack and jack stand will also be used to get the vehicle off the ground and remain off the ground as you are working on the vehicle. Step 1 when giving an oil change will be to use the floor jack to lift your car off the ground. Make sure the jack is placed underneath the frame of the car to ensure it is stable. Next, you will place a jack stand underneath the car, also making sure it is underneath the frame. Set the stand 3 to 4 inches off the ground to give you plenty of working room. When the jack stand is set, remove the floor jack. You will repeat these steps to the front and the rear of the vehicle. Now you will place the drip pan underneath the oil pan so that oil does not leak all over the ground. After that, begin to take the drain plug out, or also known as the bolt. Use your 15mm wrench to do so. Oil will spill out very rapidly, so make sure you have the drip pan ready underneath. Make sure there is no more oil dripping from the oil pan, as you do not want old oil mixing with new oil. Then proceed to clean the drain plug. After that, screw it back in with the 15mm wrench. Now, take your old oil filter off by using your channel locks. Oil will begin to leak out, so have your drip pan ready to catch it. Before putting the new oil filter on, clean up around where the old one was. This will make sure no old oil mixes with new oil. Now, screw in your new oil filter, but when doing so, do it by hand, not with the channel locks. This will make sure the oil filter does not get too tight. Your work underneath the car is now complete. Use the floor jack to lift the car up, then proceed to remove the jack stands from underneath the vehicle. Last and final step, remove your oil cap, grab funnel and place it in the hole. Begin to pour new oil in the funnel. Use all 6 quarts.